I'm Angela Caffin, owner of Get Fit. This is Sarah Clement, one of our amazing group exercise instructors. She teaches dance and tone every Monday at 9:30 with Child Fit class in a separate room. She also teaches Wednesday 9:30 cardio kickboxing, also with Child Fit class in a separate room. So come visit her for your cardio portion of this F4 Fitness Challenge and all the other aspects. I hope that you're doing good and you're staying encouraged and on top of everything. Today we're going to take you through a strength training video. As much as cardio is important 5 days, very much so, it's equally as important to add strength training in to keep your bones and your muscles healthy. Sarah is going to take me through a circuit, and she's going to hit every muscle in the body, and I will let her introduce to you the equipment that we'll need, and hopefully you're ready for a great total body workout. Cool.
Okay, so what we're gonna need is we're gonna be using weights, free weights, and you can use whatever size works best for you. Angie has 8-pounders and 5-pounders, but you do not have to use that. You can use 5-pounders and 3-pounders, or you can use 3-pounders and 2-pounders, or you don't have to use any weights at all. If you do not have weights at your house, you can use hands, or you can use jugs, or whatever is heavy enough for you to pick up and easy enough for you to use. So we will go ahead and get started. Anytime that you start a workout, you need to always warm up. You need to warm up those muscles, get them loose so you do not injure them. Start off with your warm up. We're going to start with jumping jacks. So go ahead, Angie, and do jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Each exercise we're going to do for the warm up is going to be 30 seconds long. So go ahead and do jumping jacks. And this is a basic jumping jack. Bring our hands all the way up, and she's jumping out. Now, if this is too difficult for you and you need a modification, you can go ahead and do what you're going to do. She's still bringing her arms up and getting that full body workout, getting her muscles warmed up, but she's stepping out. So that way, she's not injuring her knees or going to hurt herself. Okay, now she's going to stop. And she's going to go right into a foot kick. This is the foot kick. Now, if you cannot touch your toes, that is perfectly fine. There's modification, and you don't have to bring your foot up as high. Just make sure that you keep your body up and tall, and hold in the stomach. You always want to hold in your abs. You never want to let it out, because you're going to hurt your back that way. Okay, and then from here, she's going to go into a side squat. So go ahead, step over, and another squat. When you do a squat, anytime you do a squat, you're going to make sure that you push your tushy all the way back like you're sitting on a chair. You never want the knees to go over the toes. You're always going to want to push your booty all the way back. Just like that. Good job. You don't have to go as low as Andy's going. You can go, there you go. There's always a modification for everything. Always do what works best for your body. Make sure those abs are in, your shoulders are lifted, and your head is up. And make sure you're pushing your booty back. Good. Keep going. Now for this exercise, or this warm-up, we're going to go for it twice with you guys. So she's about to be done here in a minute, or a couple seconds. And then she's going to go right back into her jumping jack. All right, go ahead and do your jumping jack. All around for you. Modification. Holding your abs. Okay, and now she's going to go right into the foot kick again. Just 3 simple workouts to get those muscles warmed up. Remember, on this one, you do not have to touch your foot for modification. Make sure you stand up tall and you hold in those abs. All right, good job. She's doing great over here.
Thanks. great.
Good. Good. We'll get her sweating by the end of it. Snap. You can play music in your head. You can do whatever you want. Have fun with it too. It's not so serious. This is a place that's fun and goofy.
Yes. Oh, I'm still going?
Yes, you're still going.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and do your side squat now. Remember, push that tushy back. There you go. You can put your hands on your hips, or you can bring your arms out in front of you, whatever is good for your balance. Remember, you do not have to go as low as she's going. Just make sure you do go down a little bit. And make sure those knees do not go over your toes. Pushing up to the back, keeping everything up and lifted. Holding those abs in. You don't want to hurt our back. Great form, Angie. Good
Thanks,
job.
Sarah.
Good job. You're doing excellent. Warm up those muscles. Warm up those hips. From the knee. You're so close. All right, and we're done with the warm-up. Good job. This first workout is going to be for 1 minute, and we are going to start off doing push-ups with a row. So what you're going to want to do is a regular push-up. Her tushy's down, her back is flat, and she's going to go all the way down, and then she's going to come up and do a row, alternating with her arms. Her elbows into her side, she goes back down, and then she does the other side. Bringing her elbow back. Make sure your abs are in on this. You can keep your legs far out like this, or you can bring them closer together. Whatever feels more comfortable with you. Your arms can be out, or they can be closer together. Now, for those of you who cannot do a regular push-up like this, you can always modify it. Bring your knees down, coming up. Make sure that you bring that tushy down as far as it can go when you do it. Good. Good form. Keeping that back straight. There we go. Make sure when you do that row, you keep that elbow close to your body. You don't want anything out here. Make sure it's right next to your back. Good. Good. If you need to take a break, you can lean back into your to your feet and child's pose. There you go. Lean back into a child's pose. And then as soon as you can, get right back into it. You can have your legs as far out as hers, or you can bring them in closer. Good. We're almost done here. Okay, we're all done with the push-ups. She's going to come up, and she's going to go right into a squat press. So remember, with the squats, you're going to want to push your tushy all the way back like you're sitting in a chair. You don't want any knees going over their toes, over your toes. So nice stance, hips width apart, feet hip width apart, going down, pressing up. Good. Good form. Everything's lifted. You don't want to be leaning over. You want everything lifted up. Holding in those abs, always. Press up. Good. Bringing those weights together at the top. Perfect. Don't arch your back. You don't want to hurt. Well, that's split. When you're holding your abs, don't actually not arch your back. And you don't have to go as low as she does. And you don't have to use 8. You can use whatever weight feels best for you. So those are some modifications. We're going to do this for a minute. She's doing great. She's got a smile on her face. Smile on your face. You're not working that right arm.
Even it out.
There you go.
Make the world better.
2 more. Come on, give me 2 more. And now we're gonna go into a lunge kickback. So she's gonna get into her lunge stance. Once again, everything's upright. Nice and tall, stomach's in. She's in her stance, no knee over the toe. And she's gonna go into a kickback, which is tricep. So you wanna keep your body or your elbows as close to your body as possible. You're gonna pull them back. You're gonna do alternate. And then halfway through, you're gonna switch legs. Burn more calories by doing alternate. Once again, we're working the small muscles with the big muscles. We want to burn as many calories as we can. And work as many muscles as we can within a shorter period of time. Doing good. Now in this one, you can do a deeper lunge if you want to get a better workout, or you can do less of a lunge if you want. So you can do more of just a stance for modification, or you can do more of a lunge, or you can go somewhere in between. All right, now she's going to go ahead and switch legs, but keep working those arms. There you go. See how she's keeping her elbows right or real close to her body. No elbows out. You want to stay close. You're working those triceps. And every time she goes up, she's going to squeeze those triceps. You always want to squeeze the muscle. And you always want to focus in on the muscle that you're working. Always remember to hold your abs in too. How you doing? Feeling it?
Feeling it.
You feel it.
I
Good.
do.
Okay, we're gonna get those sexy arms by Summer. Woo! All right, we're almost there. Give me 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now we're gonna add in a cardio. You always want to bring in a cardio, get that heart rate up and burn calories. We're all about burning calories. So bring in some cardio, and what she's gonna do is a minute of fast feet. What you're gonna do is a minute of fast feet. Fast feet is just what football players do. Stand in one spot and you move your feet as fast as you can. Jiggle that tushy. We're all about jiggling the tushy. Woo! That's right. The faster it goes, the more you burn. Now for modification, you don't have to go as fast. You can just move. Yeah. Take little steps, but just keep moving. It's all about keep moving. So get your heart rate up no matter what. Don't ever stop. Just keep moving. We're doing one circuit of 7 different exercises. And after that circuit, you can get a drink, get a towel, dry off, whatever. And then we're going to go through it again. Keep going. You can turn around, you can move different ways, whatever you want